something real. I'll work no play, the mixtape by is something real.
Let them know what it is with this I'll work no play shit, Royo.
This I'll work no play is a different thing. Look, I'll work no play was originated on 8323 Spice Lane. You understand me?
I run up on niggas so fast right now you might wanna start jogging. If don't nobody buy the mixtape, then I might wanna start jogging.
Back to work.
Now let me take the time.
Rip that shit.
What it is, baby, H-Time, Mo City in the building, Friday representative with my nigga Royo. What's the motherfucking deal, baby? Same here, boy,
I gotta get it in. I run up on niggas so fast right now you might wanna start jogging. If don't nobody buy the mixtape, then I might wanna start robbing. Still sitting in my room looking at the wild high day, dreaming about when I get rich. Top of this, make hits out of then a ball of grits, hard than a nipple on a pretty bitch tits. Got pissed in them high, gotta head to the top of the stack for the lifestyle I wanna live. Still paying my dues, you wanna step on my shoes, you're out of bounds and you lose, tryna fuck with this dude. Peeping your swag and it's all see-through. So transparent, I can't see you. R-O-Y-O when the family work too hard. To the heart, I'ma fuck the mic, I don't bar. Try my best and the rest, give it to God. I be blessed in the game and get raw. Claw the mic when it's time to rip y'all in the back of my cerebellum. I gotta tell them a throw better forever, never will I lose. Bruise the mic like a permanent tattoo, that's real. Fucking with the tongue of steel and all the comp get killed. I caught your mind slipping. Tripping off a dip in the water, your brain wet. I'm in a position to make a nigga rain sweat. If a nigga really wanna test the best blessed mouth that I can mess on your mark, you said go. These boys have got me fucked up, I done came back like Jordans. I run up on niggas so fast right now you might wanna start jogging. If don't nobody buy the mixtape, then I might wanna start robbing. These boys have got me fucked up, I done came back like Jordans. I run up on niggas so fast right now you might wanna start jogging. If don't nobody buy the mixtape, then I might wanna start robbing. The track and get a nut bust real quick, cause in 16 bars I'ma tell these boys on the mic I'm a star. Wreck like a car, hard like straight drop out books we cop raw. Ain't nobody kept it real in a minute. Royo finna give you a little bit of it, bitch, I ain't got nothing to lose. Better look up in the sky, it's a bird, it's a plane. Hell now, dubs up, Southwest Spice Lane. Finna switch over the game like LeBron James jersey. Riding on swing, but I still ride dirty. Man, hold up, they done got me ready. Cutting up bad, I'ma chop like machete. I'd rather watch a whole damn season of Malcolm and Eddie than let a bitch nigga come wreck me. Fuck that, cause they all about to bust my levy. Blow like floods and I'm so good, ain't no telling you might have enough cash that'll fix my credit, nigga, but that don't matter. Couldn't get on my level if you got off at the elevator and climbed 4 ladders. That's above average, smoking on cabbage. Freestyle raps like scraps in my tablet. You cannot adapt to me, catch me or grab it. Test me, you bastard, career disappear like abracadabra. These boys have got me fucked up, I done came back like Jordans. I run up on niggas so fast right now you might wanna start jogging. If don't nobody buy the mixtape, then I might wanna start robbing. These boys have got me fucked up, I done came back like Jordans. I run up on niggas so fast right now you might wanna start jogging. If don't nobody buy the mixtape, then I might wanna start robbing.
Yeah, it's your boy Pretty at the bed up click for Christmas, you understand me? And I don't work no play, you know what I'm saying? It's going down, you understand? Royo for the dope, baby.
All the way from the pen to the street, you know what I'm saying? And now we finna do our thing, you know what I'm saying? Come to see your J's and fuck with Royo, you know what I'm saying? And fuck with everybody else is doing their thing, and that's true. Man, what to go down there, man, you know who it is. It's your ABN Gangsta #1, Money Clip D, man. Asshole by motherfucking nature, man. Right now, I'm out here supporting the homie, man. You tune in to All Work, No Play, man. That's the mixtape, it's on the way.
Real shit.
Boys got me fucked up. I'm motherfucking out here. It's All Work, No Motherfucking Play. Long live Money Clip D. Long live Dinky D. You know what I'm saying? I'm out here. I done came back like Jordan. I matched with the throwback Citrus on Jordans.
Real
With
shit.
the motherfucking Steelers hat. You know what I mean? I'm all Houston. I'm all Texan. You know what I mean? There ain't nothing got to do with the team. I just like to match like my brother Dinky. You understand me? It's All Work, No Motherfucking Play. Royo D, Spice Lane 8323. All Work, No Play 24 hours a day. Long live Money Clip D and long live Dinky D, bitch. That's how we do it. Let's go.
I'm talking about all work, no play, man. I'm on that bitch, we in that bitch, and we about that shit, man. Real talk. You know what I'm saying? That's how it go, nigga.
Rap a lot for life, ABN, y'all know it's takeover, man. Texas Crunk, Spain, D, Save when they live, Holy Crunk, y'all know what's making. Righteous. Get your paper righteous.
get a job, man. Because all work, no play, man. All work, no play.